Hello guys again. Today we have a new unboxing and testing of this Powerfix Profi Workbench for strong, quick and gentle clamping of work pieces, for adjustable plastic bench clamps, hand crack, rubbish steel tube frame with a practical tool holder, and the diameter is high in 80 centimeters and 60 centimeters and 63 centimeters of width and depth. Well, let's open it to see what we have inside. High quality MDF board with a imprinted centimeter inch ruler for precision work. Nice. Okay, some accessories inside and many screws. We're going to find out what they're doing. It's one. Here is the MDF board with centimeter inch length, and you can work properly. Of course, the manual. You may need it because I see we have too much parts. It's like an IKEA furniture. Let's take out. Okay, everything is out. Here's the wood. It goes. Okay, first of all, I'm going to install this bracket. They go here, and we will need the key that is already included inside. You don't have to tighten it to this screw because you need to move this just like that. I will show you in the end. Next. Assembly and that. Tied it very good. Nice. The same thing you must do and with that. Both of them, here how it looks. And next we need these two boots to install it. Like that. You can see the 4 holes each of that. In the wood you will see this angle be in the same side of the wood, just like that. Well, we have these 16 screws and we will need to install all of them. And here it is how it looks. Well, next step is to install this metal. Be careful, there's a right and left. And now how you are going to understand. This angle that makes the metal, it goes to the outside of all the construction. You need to find the screws. This is the number 5. And it goes in that size, in that 2 holes, the bigger ones, not the small ones. Let's take that out. Laying down for a minute. And if you want, you can install in this plastics. It is for those metals. Now the other one is this metal. The next that we must install. Same screws. And the other one. And next we need to install these brackets together. Goes again with this screw. Same goes here. Installing this. Next is these brackets that it holds some tools, and they go here and here. Of course, I think it's very easy to do that. Slide them inside that way. It is small. Okay, installation is complete from this way. Let's turn it around on the other side to do the same thing. Okay, let's just finish on this side and let's turn it around to see how it looks. And here it is. Let's see how much it goes. Okay. And this plastics is to hold whatever wood you need. Let me show you how it looks closer. Here you can put your tools. Just like that. How it looks from the other side. Like that. Let's take a piece of wood to see how it can handle to. Okay, we have this lovely wood. You can put this plastic here. And then it is very tight, and definitely you can manage to cut it. And if of course you need to grab it just like that here, it will be more easy. Just put it inside. And voila. And definitely you can cut some metal, wood, whatever you need, and it is suitable for you. And of course it can handle of a diameter. I will measure to tell you how much. And it is about 24 centimeters without plastics and 8 centimeters here. Well, if that is a great tool for you and we want to buy it, if you think it will handle the job that you need, I think it's a value of money, only 20 euros it cost. For me, I will keep it. Definitely it will do for some small DIY jobs. And in the next video, definitely I will test it with another good, and we will see how it cuts it, if it will help me enough to cut better my wood. Well guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is the end of the video. Share this video, you never know who may need it. Like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a great, lovely day. Bye bye.